What's up guys, Lee here from Lee's Reviews, and today I want to let you know my thoughts on this amazing case, Zugu case. And this is the X Pro model or something or other. I'll leave a link in the description below. I purchased this case, $60, and I knew it was good because one reviewer, SakiTech, said pretty great things about it. And then I went on Amazon. It was 5-star reviews all around. So this is my 10.5-inch iPad. It's one of my favorite iPads. Besides the battery life, it's been kind of shitty lately. I'm not sure why, but the selling point of this case is that you get the screen protection, which is the thing that I always use smart covers for, but you get the stability of it being on its side. It's amazing. So this pops out like really thick magnets, and then you can have it here, you know, if you wanted, like really steep, but then, you know, you can snap it here, snap it down there, and all these times it's really steady. And I'm not sure what this is made out of. I hope it's not cardboard, but maybe something more substantial. But you apparently can get it up to this angle and trust it. It feels pretty solid. And did you see that? That just locked into every notch there. And then you got this thing for Apple Pencil. One day I'll get that, but I don't know. I'm not a drawer. But the main thing that I like smart covers for is that it covers the screen to protect it, and it's made of the same kind of, well, it's kind of soft fabric here. But the only issue I'm thinking is that if I am playing PUBG or Vainglory or any game, I don't want to hold it in the back because this is kind of thick and it's kind of slippery. And if I'm going to be moving my finger around as a cursor, I can't have this back slipping. So I end up holding it like this, but then it's too heavy. It's like it's dragging down. So I just take it out of the case. So luckily, this is made of really like rubber and not plastic. So it's easy to come off. And I just end up taking it off when I'm playing PUBG. I think this is good for traveling, good for just standing it up, because I think I could put this in here 1,000 times. I don't think anything would happen. But it's a great case. I think it's one of the best. Other than it, maybe if it could be a little lighter, or if anything, I think what they should do is have this more magnetically grab onto each other like this. If it could do this and hold, maybe. But for now, it's probably the best case there is on Amazon. All right, thank you for your time. Talk to you later. See you in the next video.